AI is set to become one of the most important innovations of the 21st century, and so as artificial intelligence continues to transform industries all around the globe, identifying the best AI companies could become a very lucrative idea for all the investors. It is why today I'll share with you 3 of the best AI companies that have the most potential for the long term and that are quite undervalued on this crazy market at the moment. Without further ado, let's take a look at my pick number 1. The first company on my list is the business Palo Alto with the ticker PANW. This $100 billion AI company could be pretty interesting for the investors that are looking to invest in the largest cybersecurity firm in the world. Indeed, Palo Alto is focusing on the development of advanced firewalls and cloud-based offerings. A firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on security rules. And so this helps you to protect your own personal data on your different electronic approvals. On their side, this company is offering you a wide variety of subscription services to help you to protect yourself against some potential threats. For example, the Prisma Cloud Services, which actually secures any cloud environment and all compute form factors used to build and run cloud-native applications. So to keep it simple, this company is pretty much just like a soldier that is protecting all your personal data on your computer. With the worrying trend that we've seen lately, where we've noticed that the cyber attacks have become a true worldwide pandemic, the protection of your personal data is no longer optional, but it has become essential for anyone. For Palo Alto, they are using AI to help them to manage efficiently all the traffic that occurs on their network. For instance, AI can predict the demands based on historical data and user behavior, which enables it to allocate network resources proactively, reducing latency and enhancing the overall user experience. From an investor point of view, when you decide to invest in this business, you are putting your money in a company that has been able to grow their quarterly revenue year over year of about 16% compared to last year. An important point that is showing, however, that the company is thriving financially is that they've been able in the last year to increase their total equity compared to their total debt that hasn't been increasing that much. And so when combine that with some excellent profit margins, great earnings results lately, a healthy amount of debt, and some great projection of $335 per share from the analyst of TipStrength, which would represent an upside potential of about 18%, well, it is definitely a company that you might want to have on your watch list. But now for the second business on my list, I've decided to include a company that is quite smaller compared to Palo Alto, which is the business C3AI with the ticker AI. This American technology company that is currently worth less than $5 billion is offering over 40 turnkey enterprise AI applications that meet the business critical needs of global enterprise in multiple sectors. From manufacturing to utilities passing by financial services, this company is pretty much involved in every important field of our economy. Their role is simply to create some ready-to-use applications for a wide sphere of operations. For example, in the customer relationship management, they are able to forecast their revenue, the bookings, and the consumption across multiple business dimensions. On their part, the largest chunk of their total revenue comes from their subscription services, and the rest comes from their professional services. However, at the moment, the company is facing a crucial problem, which is in terms of their profitability margins. Indeed, despite being able year after year to grow their total revenue, we can see that this company is still far from being profitable at the moment. The problem right now is that C3AI is still able to grow their revenue, but not at the same speed as their total expenses that have been quite importantly increasing over the past 3 years. It means that in the long term, if the company isn't able to increase their total sales faster compared to their total expenses, they might not be heading towards the right direction. Nevertheless, by naming a new chief financial officer at the beginning of March, this could send some pretty positive news to the investors that could see a pretty good turnover in the next couple of months. At least that's what many analysts are forecasting, with a price prediction of about $30.55 per share, or an upside potential of about 13% compared to their current price at the moment. In any way, Anyways, if you attempt to invest in this type of business, just keep in mind that it is considered as a high risk, high reward play. And now to finish this list in strength, I've decided to include the largest EV company in the world, which is Tesla with the ticker TSLA. Some people might falsely believe that Elon Musk companies is a simple car company just like Nissan or Ford, but this is a crucial mistake because Tesla is also considered as one company at the forefront of the technology in the electric vehicle sector. One of the most obvious use of AI from Tesla is coming in terms of their autonomous driving features. Over the past couple of years, Tesla has truly become a pioneer when it comes to introducing AI in their different cars, particularly when it comes to their autonomous driving capacities. The company's autopilot feature use AI algorithms and machine learning to improve over time, making driving safer and more efficient. Tesla AI's driven systems continuously monitor the vehicle's surroundings using a network of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar. These sensors provide real-time data which allows the cars to make instant decisions on what to do next. This means that when you are buying a Tesla car, you are not buying a regular car, but more a time machine with new updates that are coming up every single month. Pretty cool, isn't it? But that's not all. What is pretty impressive for the investors in terms of Tesla is the attractiveness that they have financially. In fact, over the past couple of years, we can see that their total revenue have been booming, which is mainly due to the growing popularity of this brand as well as their increase in terms of their deliveries and in terms of their total production. With the electric vehicles that have become a trend now more than ever, it has created a lot of opportunities for a company like Tesla that has great competitive advantage on their competition, notably when it comes to the autonomy of their batteries as well as their brand new technology. However, recently we can see that Tesla has lost quite a lot of their total value, which could represent a great buying opportunity for many investors. Indeed, with the recent cut prices that Tesla has been announcing on their different cars to make them more affordable, it has made the stock plummet since the beginning of 2024. But it also makes that according to their price to earnings ratio, Tesla is currently way more affordable compared to other big AI companies such as Nvidia and AMD. And on their side, the analysts are seeing the true intrinsic value of Tesla at the moment of about $200 per share, or an upside potential of over 13% at the moment. It means that on my side personally, I believe that with their use of the AI combined with their great competitive advantage, I could easily see Tesla value explode over the next 5 to 10 years. Over the past couple of months, we've seen that many AI companies have been booming, which have made the task harder for the investors to spot the most undervalued companies. However, personally, I believe that the 3 companies that I've just presented to you are quite massively undervalued and still have great potential of upside over the next couple of years. But on your side, if you're looking to find another type of investment vehicle that could help you to grow massively your net worth over the next couple of years, well, check out the video that's gonna be right over here, and I will see you soon. Peace.